Hey everybody, Sam back once again. You might have seen the unboxing of this bad boy. Yeah, it's not even turned on, and we're going to protect it with this. This is a screen protector I picked up about 4 weeks ago before the phone arrived, and I thought it was going to arrive quicker, but this arrived the next day, and this did. Anyway, let's just shut up about that. This is, I think it's the LK. It's an LK 2x2 screen protector pack. You also get it for the back as well, which I'm not going to be installing because I think they look like crap. But you do get the actual black screen camera protector. And yeah, this one's on Amazon. I will put a link down below. You do get a lifetime warranty, it says. I've never used them before, so it is going to be my first time. And the reason why I picked this one is because it's meant to be a complete dust-free installation, which I'm like, I like the sound of that, and it's got a good applicator tool as well. Anyway, let's have a quick look inside. Let's see what we get inside this box. So let's open it up. And here we have it. So boom, as you can see straight away, this is the actual tool. So we're just going to put that for 2 seconds just there. And what else do we get? So we get this bit of plastic. Now I'll tell you what that's for in just a moment or two. Inside here are the camera protectors. So again, you do get 2 of those if you would like to use them. Again, it's not something I'm going to particularly use. I don't know why, I think it just kind of they seem to get smudged quicker than the actual camera. So I'm going to be saying no to that one. And looking at that, it wouldn't actually fit, would it? If you look at that. Yeah, that wouldn't even fit. Oh, it would fit. Yeah, it would fit. But the flash is going to come for it. Anyway, shut up, Sam. We're not bothered about that, are we? Eh? We're not bothered about that. Right, let's get all this crap out of the way. So I'll stick it there. Bring in the actual screen protector case thing itself. So I believe this just pops up here. I am going to be trying to do not as many edits as I can, just to show you how easy or how hard some of these stuff work actually could be. So I think you pop it up like that. Yep. So this is like a little pull tab, which I'll show you in a moment or two. And we get the actual little kit here. So smart mobile, smooth life. Sounds sexy. And we get the installation kit for the screen protector. And then you get this one as well, which is the second protector. You do get a 2-pack. So you get 2 of these and 2 of the camera protectors. So we're probably not going to do this one right now. Let's stick that off there. Let's open this bad boy. Let's see what we get inside here. Going to guess probably a mag fiber cloth, whatever. There we go. So we are getting wet wipes. So that's cool. So you get 2, obviously 1 for each. So again, we'll stick one of them off to the side for next time. And we're also getting a little microfiber cloth as well. So I believe, let me try and work this out. Here we go. Here's the instructions. So if you do want to pause right now, if you want to read through all of that, you can do. I'll have a quick look myself. Okay. Seems pretty straightforward. Basically, it's going to stick the phone in, make sure obviously it's all nice and clean. One thing I have noticed that you don't get no kind of like dust pads to kind of stick it up. So I don't know if that's should get it or not. I don't think you need it because it's this method is meant to make sure no dust gets trapped. We're going to see if it works. If it doesn't work, I'm going to be pretty pissed, but we'll see, won't we? So I believe we're going to stick this into here. Yep, so that's into there like that. We're going to get the wet wipe. We'll give it a good old clean with a wet wipe. What I might do, I might speed this part up, just me cleaning it, and I'll come back once we're close to actually applying it, okay? Alright, so I have cleaned it and I've read through this a little bit more. So it looks like it's all clean. Yep, you probably say it's completely clean. I can't see any dust on it right now. So let's give it another quick wipe over just to double check. But it's looking pretty dust free from what I can see. Again, this installation is supposed to make sure that even if there's dust on there, it's meant to basically get it away as it's pulling it on. But again, that's why I bought it, because I figured we'll see what it can actually do. And then my understanding is we'll just close it. So you make sure that this tab is at this side. Push it down like that. Push that down like that. You see the little 2 things there. And then what you're supposed to do, it says close the lid and then pull this strap. So once you've pulled the strap, You press the logo for 10 seconds, even though it says 20. And then that's it. It should be done. We'll soon see what we're. So, wish me luck on this one, because again, it's the first time I've ever done this one, and it should be easier than I'm making it out to be, but we'll soon see what we're. So I believe you just, ready? I'm just going to pull this. So I pulled it out, press down here. So it says press down, so I can already see an air bubble just there. I don't know if you can see it. So if that's a bit of dust underneath there, I'm not going to be a happy chappy, I'm going to tell you right now, because they give you nothing to kind of pick it up to try and make it better out like that. So I'll go down like that. And that's all it tells me. It says press the logo for 10 seconds and it's done. So my guess is I'll probably pull this up like this. Probably keep it down like that. This is just a guess here. Because again, the instructions in the actual pack are not super duper clear. So I can see two pretty big air bubbles right in the middle, as you can see there. So what I'm going to try and do now is I'm going to try and push those out, and fingers crossed that there's nothing underneath it. Alright, so again, we'll speed this part up for you. Alright, so after a bit of faffing around, I'll put like a little timer on screen as to how long it took. To be honest with you, it seems decent, but I wouldn't spend the 15 quid, probably about $15, $20. Just get just get one normal one, a normal screen protector you can stick on, because I still had to lift it up to get the air bubbles out. Yeah, it's alright, but personally, just go for another one. I'll link down below other ones I recommend. Generally the Spiegel one's pretty good. I've used that in the past. I also use the Caseology ones, but I'll put a link down below to my favourites. This, I'll have to test it, see what it feels like in terms of usage, but the application wasn't as sold, let's just say that. But apart from that, it's on. There's nothing wrong with it. It does look pretty nice. If you can see it. There we go. I can't see no air bubbles, nothing on it at all now. So fingers crossed it stays that way. But yeah, this is the LK, whatchamacallit, what is it, LK2 pack. Meh, it's alright. Personally, just go with the standard one and save the money, because there's a lot of wasted material here. Anyway people, that's it. I'm going to get going. I'm going to say thanks for watching. If you've got any questions, you know what to do by now. You can hit me up with a comment down below. Don't forget to smash that like button. Go on, smash, smash, smash. It is very much appreciated. And go on, subscribe. It's free. Honestly. Doesn't cost you a penny, a nickel or a dime. Anyway, thanks for watching, and you'll see me. Well, you might not see me, but you'll hear me. And you'll see these puppies in my next video. Cheers everyone.